Shit! Shit, fuck! Kimani shouldn't have brought up the idea of coming to this forest when he knew this place was dreadful. Excuse me.
Upon leaving the house before I even heard you were coming to this forest, I found it absurd.
Yeah, listen guys, what we need to do now is to find our way out of the forest. This is not a time for blame game. Are you okay? Let's do our possible best to make sure we find Ades so that we can leave this forest and go home safely. That's all. I was even thinking we should go to this direction.
Okay, let's go.
You see what you've caused? You deserve me to this forest.
Will you cut us from? When you were eating the food and chewing the meat, you told my mother I brought you to this forest.
I never wanted to come. I never wanted to come. You forced me to make sure that I don't die.
Oh gosh! Will you guys stop this nonsense? We are here in trouble. Instead of being fat for our family, you hear our question.
So we're gonna leave this forest alive?
Yes. Stop here. Yes, I don't want to die.
Darius, you don't want to die. You are not the only one who doesn't want to die here. In fact, every one of us here doesn't want to die.
Alright. Let's make this offer. Protect me out of this forest and I'll make you rich, I promise.
Darius, will you protect me?
What are you talking about? You just heard me ask for protection from someone. I'm not capable of protecting myself, but why do I protect you? Excuse me.
Every protection you need from me.
Oh, really?
You're going to be safe until we're in this forest, okay? I promise you.
Where are the rest?
We don't know. We were with James. He had just been killed.
What?
Can you guys give us a direction to the essence? We can go and wait for you people outside the forest.
If we go to the direction, we don't have matters here. The man is the one who knows the way out.
So where's he?
He's dead. So we are left to our own fate.
Why don't we go back and train the us? When the army was taking us.
Captain! Let's go! A very good tree ahead of me, and it denotes the description that many live to the tree at the end of the forest. Really? Let's move towards it. It is not that. You can't stand here and watch you cry to God knows when. You better stand up and let's go.
Why don't you want her to cry? What's the thing is paying her?
Look at me. I'm not even crying, and you want her to sit here and cry all day, right? You can stand here and wait for her to finish crying. But for me, I'm gone.
Oh, Vandam!
Oh, Vandam! What is all Vandam? Those people are coming after us, and we got no time to waste.
Of course. Scorpion, I don't think Darius is dead yet. I know he's still alive. We have to find him. He asked you to protect him. Do you remember?
Yes, I do remember. But I think it's too late for now. Let's think of how to leave this forest for now. And besides, we can't risk our life for Darius.
No, Scorpion!
It's not too late. We can still find him. I don't want to lose him.
Look, Scorpion. If finding Darius is too late for you, then I think you're also too late.